in North Carolina, Davidson, and Davie.
Excuse me, Albany, but what the actual fuck happened to blackout hours? Huh? Huh?
Weather, partly sunny. Chance of thunderstorms. High temperature around 80. Southwest wind 16 to 14 miles per hour. Showers and isolated thunderstorms.
The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton, has issued a flash flood watch for Hartford, Holland, and Wyndham from noon today through this evening. A line of strong thunderstorms is expected to develop in northwest Massachusetts around noon and then progress over southeastward across most of southern New England this afternoon and evening. These storms will be capable of producing 1 to 2 inches of rain in most of the The potential exists for a few areas to receive repeat thunderstorms. Flash flood watch in effect from noon today. Thunderstorms are forecast to slowly weaken as the Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York, including the following areas in southern Connecticut. Northern flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Western Essex, Western Pacific, and Western Union. In southeast New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, northern Nassau, northern Queens, northern Westchester, Staten Island, Rockland, southern Nassau, southern Queens, The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood watch for Litchfield. Torrential downpours with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. These types of rainfall rates will cause urban and poor drainage flooding, with potential for flash flooding in areas affected by multiple successive thunderstorms. Additionally, rapid water level rises can occur on flashy small rivers and streams in basins affected by this activity. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Surf zone forecast for the eastern Long Island ocean beaches. High wind current will penetrate through the sea river. For today, flash flood watch in effect from noon today through this evening. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood watch for portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York, including the following areas in southern Connecticut, northern Fairfield, northern Middlesex, northern New Haven, southern Fairfield, and southern New Haven. In northeast New Jersey, eastern Bergen, eastern Essex, eastern Passaic, eastern Union, Hudson, western Bergen, western Essex, western Passaic, and western Union. In southeast New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, thunderstorms to the region this afternoon and into this evening. Any thunderstorms will have the potential to bring torrential downpours with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. These types of rainfall rates will cause urban and poor drainage flooding, with potential for flash flooding in areas affected by multiple successive thunderstorms. Additionally, rapid water level rises can occur on flashy small rivers and streams in basins affected by this activity. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The Bridgeport, Connecticut climate summary for yesterday, July 16, 2018. Yesterday's high temperature was 8 degrees above the normal high of 83. The record high is 95 degrees.
See, Albany? Upton knows what the fuck they're doing with the blackout hours. It's that simple.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for northern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Wyndham County in southern Vermont, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pittsfield, North Adams, Brattleboro, Monroe, Adams, Cheshire, Vernon, Florida, Hancock, Savoy, Rowe, New Ashford, Guilford Center, Berkshire, Dalton, Lanesboro, Guilford, Hinsdale, Richmond, and West Stockbridge. A slow-moving band of thunderstorms will bring heavy rain to the area through 1 p.m. Rainfall amounts of up to 3 inches will result in rapid flooding in some areas, particularly poor drainage areas in Pittsfield. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@no.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWSAlbany, or Twitter at NWSAlbany. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued...
Oh yeah, this thing decided not to go off.
Now under an SVA. Or, I think. Wait, no. Wait.
Just for Albany and Taunton, okay!
The state of Connecticut. WWH-33 is possibly severe storms may occur across the entire state in Cornwall, Winfield County, Connecticut, at 162.5 and humid and certainly middle to upper
Come on.
portions of sunny with humidity and a north middle to upper 90s in the mid program is provided by your National Weather Service over in Albany, New York, on the campus of the University of Albany. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flood advisory for northern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northern Columbia County in eastern New York, eastern Maine County in east Central New York, southern Montgomery County in east Central. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 278, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Hartford, Litchfield, Holland, and Wyndham. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including severe thunderstorm watch number 278, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, and Litchfield, and the following counties in Massachusetts, Berkshire and Hampton, and Dutchess, New York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large-scale and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible...
Berkshire, Columbia, Dutchess, Green, and Ulster.
Weather radio,
Why you got a double header here, folks?
radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What the? Oh my goodness. Oh, that was just the wash that was just... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh!
The National Weather Service.
I'm blind! I read SBA as SBR! I'm stupid! Yeah, see. Yeah.
Hey, you're getting a bit too hype after you just regained your thunder back from me. Wait.
Oh, so now you admit that you stole? Yeah, and I got that on tape too. So you just admitted it. You admit that you stole my thunder.
Boy, because people don't believe me, so I might as well go along with what they think.
True.
But I still did.
Central New York, Eastern. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lenox, or near Pittsfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Beckett around 11:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East winds are around 11:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Windsor, Mackinac Heights, Washington, Tanglewood, New Lenox, Lennoxdale, the Center at Lenox, Dalton, Adams Junction, and Yankee Orchards. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@no.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWSAlbany, or Twitter at NWSAlbany. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts. The National...
Oh, by the way, Albany, on top of that, say Lenox one more time!
Hey, just like a... What?
Oh my goodness, what is that chick on
You should monitor later forecasts and be... The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flash flood warning for Western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
What the fuck did I just say?
This line of thunderstorms extended from northeast Franklin County to northwest Hampton County. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. These thunderstorms are capable of producing rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches of rainfall in less than 2 hours in the Warren area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding will occur quickly and could be life-threatening for those who try to drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Find alternate routes. Those near small streams need to get to higher ground immediately. Flash flood watch in effect.
Aligned thunderstorms! Aligned thunderstorms! Okay! Okay! Ah, yeah, just completely omit the word of. Yeah, align thunderstorms. Isn't that great?
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flash flood warning for western Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, eastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Doppler radar has indicated rainfall of 2.5 to 3 inches per hour in this line of storms.
Damn.
Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding will occur quickly and could be life-threatening for those who try to drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Find alternate routes. Those near small streams need to get to higher ground immediately. Flash flood watch in effect from noon Eastern Daylight Time to...
Columbia, Dutchess, and Ulster.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ulster County in east central New York, Dutchess County in east central New York, southern Columbia County in east central New York, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Livingston to near Pine Plains to near Pleasant Valley to Newburgh, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pine Plains and Stanfordville around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And Graham and Millbrook around 1:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Copiague, Millerton and Hopewell Junction around 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ammonia and Dover Plains around 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pauling around 1:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Tucker's Corner, Salt Point, Uncrimdale, Norrie Heights, Curly's Corners, Baker Corner, Beekman, Lithgow, Hoxie Corner, and Linden Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@no.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWSAlbany, or Twitter at NWSAlbany. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia, Dutchess, and Ulster.
Michael, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? I said they're probably gonna issue an SVR for Columbia, Dutchess, and Ulster because prior to that.
Hey, you must be a prediction.
I know. I completely butchered prediction and predictor at once intentionally, but let me say it properly just for the hell of it.
You really can predict things, can you? Just like how you predicted a storm for me in Mitchell County.
Absolutely.
Next thing you know, an SBR gets issued from Mitchell.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. Now if I could get a fucking SVR for Upton's area, cause yeah. Did you forget about them all of a sudden? Mother Nature, are you to blame for this? Yes, you are. Where was the notification?
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, east central Hampden County in western Massachusetts, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ware, or 15 miles southeast of Amherst, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Holden, Auburn, Oxford, Charlton, Palmer, Spencer, Leicester, Ware, Sturbridge, Rutland, Warren, Paxton, North Brookfield, West Brookfield, Brimfield, Brookfield, Hardwick, East Brookfield, and Oakham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampton, and Hampshire. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued...
Where was the notification IEM bot? Huh? Huh?
Not there. Still not there.
Yeah, you just decided to... Oh, yeah, as soon as I refresh the page, it logs me out, okay.
By the way, there's something I gotta tell you.
Yo,
And
what's
yes, and yes, you can record this.
up? Alright.
I bet you. Next warning. Hartford.
Okay.
Hartford. Hartford, Hamden, and Tolland. I think. Hartford for sure, unless they intensify.
Alright.
And you might get another warning for Litchfield County, because the storms for Dutchess County have entered Litchfield.
Yeah, what the fuck IEM bot? Or in this case, NWS chat live in those weather dot...
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Collin County, northeastern Hartford County, until 3 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles per hour, moving east at 25 miles per hour. And gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Manchester, Bloomfield, Suffield, Ellington, Holland, Windsor Locks, Coventry, Stafford, Somers, East Windsor, Willington, East Granby, Bolton, and Union. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hartford, Connecticut. Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10.
Did Taunton hear you?
What?
Did Taunton hear you? Yeah. Alright. So, on top...
Yeah, so on top of that, so I just have a quick question for this little recom over here. Why the did you go up for an unrecognized message?
For the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, Holland, and Wyndham, the National Weather Service in Boston Workman has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in West Central Wyndham County, Tallinn County, Hartford County, Southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northern Connecticut, Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Worcester County. 2:20 p.m. Doppler radar indicated numerous thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding of poor drainage, urban area, and small streams. Additional rainfall amounts of 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Heavy rain which will flood warnings displays urban area and small streams. Do not drive through roads or underpasses. All amounts of 1 to inches are possible in the warned area. And move to higher ground immediately. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning forecast for Long Island are occurring. Do not drive through roads or underpasses that are flooded. Avoid flooded areas near small streams and move to higher ground immediately.
Well then, that flood warning was very unexpected, but yeah, coincidentally, that was right after the freaking mesoscale was issued. The mesoscale 1067. How about that?
3 minutes later.
Yeah. Just watch another warning come in like as soon as I stop recording. Oh. I thought another warning was coming in, and holy shit. I thought another warning was coming in when I heard those doorbell things. Yeah. I thought another warning was coming in. And now I'm under a special weather statement. How about that? Let's see.
Yeah, you are now. North Central, Fairfield, Westchester, Putnam, and Rockland.
Alright, so I know this is completely unrelated to the fucking storm event at hand, but why did you say what you just told me again to the camera?
My friend sent me a fucking Stonegard plug and said that it might come tomorrow. But then I refreshed the page, and now they're saying it might come today at 8 p.m.
Just watch it show up like right now at Clay's door.
Don't mention it.
Just watch it like show up right at Clay's door like as I'm filming this. I'm recording now. The reason why I'm starting, if you look over
Coming for Fairfield, WXM 80, Riverhead, all the radios, change the light to red. Color.
yeah, some fucking random asshole decided to call me as I was fucking recording. So let's try this again. So 1.5-inch hail reading on this storm over in Putnam is about to cross over into Fairfield County now. And can you fucking focus? Thank you. And yeah, this is just screaming WXM80, WWH33, and WXJ42.
So basically, pretty much all the stations you can get.
Pretty much. And also, I mean, I don't know if this would really happen per se, but maybe it would get relayed over my TV because it's in Fairfield, I guess? Question mark? I don't know.
say go, 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 that means they gotta shoot for Fairfield.
Alright.
Just so you know.
But yeah, I think they're about to issue an SVR for Fairfield County. And no, for you guys who watch my channel,
Not South Carolina. Connecticut.
Hartford! 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 Hartford Battalion!
The National Weather Service in Boston Morton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tolland County, southern Hartford County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., southern Hartford County in Williams, Connecticut, moving at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter side. Moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles. Manchester, East Hartford, Middletown, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Vernon, Wethersfield, Farmington, Colchester, Rocky Harris, Cleveland, Manchester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hartford, Connecticut. Seas 4 to 5 feet. And for Wednesday night, northwest winds around 5 knots, becoming north 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Winds and seas.
Do not stop recording, because look at the storms in Fairfield now. Look, you got a 1.25 up to your north, a 0.75 up down to your south, all moving east towards Fairfield. There's no doubt they're going to issue one for Fairfield.
They have to. They literally have to.
If they don't, oh my god. Upton is going to get the biggest fuck you award ever. Just like they
did to the listeners of 1235, I'm gonna take the station down.
Around to 70 degrees. Weather, partly sunny. Chance of thunderstorms. High temperature, around 80. Winds, southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. For tonight, cloudy. Showers and isolated thunderstorms. Lows upper 60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. For Wednesday,
What the
sunny. Highs around 80.
Hurry warning!
New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:52 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Eastchester Bay, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Eastchester Bay, Little Neck Bay, and Saddle Rock around 3 p.m. Execution Rocks, Baxter Estates, and Manhasset Bay around 3:10 p.m. Hempstead Harbor and Mamaroneck Harbor around 3:15 p.m. Captain Harbor and Oyster Bay Harbor around 3:25 p.m. Stanford Harbor, Oyster Bay, and Cold Spring Harbor around 3:30 p.m. Huntington Bay around 3:35 p.m. Long Neck Point around 3:40 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. For the following marine Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. A strong
Oh, yes, sure. You issue a marine warning, but yet you don't issue a severe thunderstorm warning for my county.
Oh god, let me guess. One of the storms weakened?
Yeah.
Me sideways.
I'm pretty sure Upton does not want to do that.
Shut up!
I'm pretty sure Upton doesn't want to do that to you like they already did to Matthew Schreier for taking out Qual 35.
God damn it. But hey, at least I got an Upton warning for once.
I asked you to issue something. And that something I was asking to be a warning. Not a fucking special weather statement!
Oh god. Upton is really messing with you.
Absolutely.
Ouch. So bad for you.
What was that? What was that?
Flash flood warning! Flash flood warning for Hartford! Go off, please! Hello?
One, go.
The National Weather Service in Boston Morton has issued a flash flood warning for northern Pollen County, central Hartford County, southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 9:15 weather information. At 3:08 p.m. weather radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 4.5 inches of rain have already fallen based on other reports. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flash flood warning for northern Pollen County in northern Connecticut, central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Durham, West Springfield, Wethersfield, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At flood warning means that flooding will occur quickly and could be life-threatening for those who try to drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Find alternate routes. Those near small streams need to get to higher ground immediately. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following warning in Springfield, Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Manchester, Chicopee, East Hartford, Enfield, Westfield. The National Weather Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tolland, Wethersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, and Simsbury. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding will occur quickly and could be life-threatening for those who try to drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Find alternate routes. Those near small streams need to get to higher ground immediately. Flash flood watch remains in effect.
Yeah, I think the storm's just about... Okay, then. It's teeming rain now.
Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Okay then. Let's take a look back at that flash flood warning that was issued. How many inches of rain did it say already fell?
Mm-hmm.
4.5 inches. I have a pretty strong feeling that a flash flood emergency might get issued.
For where?
I look back over here on the text product. It said up to 4.5 inches of rain have already fallen based on spotter reports. I'm thinking that's like for like across the warned area, but like anywhere in that recently issued flash flood warning polygon, a flash flood emergency might. Keyword is might for you little kids out there. Be issued.
Another rain warning! Take it away, WXM80! Take it away! There we go! Yeah! Yeah, man! Yeah! Ha-ha! Hey, that's me!
Northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and greatly higher winds and probably higher waves. A strong thunderstorm will be near. Your route around 3:35 p.m. Bridgeport around 3:40 p.m. Mouth of the Housatonic River around 3:45 p.m. New Haven Harbor around 4 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New York: Manhattan, Bronx, Brooklyn, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, and Southern Queens. A strong thunderstorm will affect Queens, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, and northwestern Nassau counties. At 3:05 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Brooklyn Heights or over Crown Heights, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 30 miles per hour are possible with this storm. Location. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming northwest around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain near 100%. The coastal waters forecast for March is inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect until midnight tonight. For rest of today, south winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas around 5 feet. Chance of showers and thunderstorms likely.
Wait, which radio?
Visibility 1 to 3.
Oh, all right. So, Clay, please tell me you're still there. Oh, you're not. So, Recon,
You mind explaining this? Statement of fact! Statement of fact! Statement! Apparently Special Marine Warnings are statements now! Okay! Yeah! Okay!
What? What? What happened?
My Recon R1650A didn't even recognize a Special Marine Warning as a statement of fact!
A statement of fact?
A statement of fact! Yeah, apparently Special Marine Warnings of this frickin' thing are apparently statements!
and what is that from Albany? What is it from Albany that you want?
Oh, a public information statement. Way to waste my time!
In Windham counties. Take it away, WXA42, or whoever's... Yeah, WXA42, yeah. Now let's see if the recon will activate for the right warning. Yep.
Northern has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Windham County, northern Parham County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tolland or near Vernon, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations in hazard include Vernon, Mansfield, Southbridge, Ellington, Tolland, Coventry, Stafford, Somers, Dudley, Thompson, Woodstock, Willington, Ashford, Eastford, and Union. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Here is the forecast for Southwest Connecticut. Flash flood watch in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Rest of this afternoon, shower.
Okay then. And yeah, now that that funnel cloud report finally showed up on GR level 3, which I am still kind of on. What the Albany, what do you want? Oh, nothing. Yeah, so that was interesting. That was interesting. Okay then, okay! Okay then!
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a gust front was located over Stratford Shoal, moving east at 30 knots.
Gust front.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source. Radar indicated. Small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and slightly higher waves. The gust front will be near. Proposal around 4:30 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Severe thunderstorm watch number 27. Special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 4 p.m. Hartford at 3:20 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located over the Norwalk Islands, moving northeast at 25 knots. Severe weather hazard including gusts 34 knots or greater. Source radar indicated. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
What radio's still on?
Thunderstorm will be near. Penfield brief around 3:35 p.m. Bridgeport around 3:40 p.m. Mount of Housatonic 3:45 p.m. New Haven around 4 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Yeah, and should I mention? Guess who decided to join us?
Speaking of that, Nicholas, I have a question for you.
All right, what's your question?
Remember when you said next thing you know, Javier joins and another warning gets issued?
Oh! I jinxed it!
Look what happened!
Yeah.
Well, that was hilarious. Coincidence? I think not!
And of course, there's a special weather statement for Cleveland and Rutherford.
Oh my god!
Tornado warning!
You're reading that right! Tornado warning for Wyndham! Tornado warning for Wyndham!
National Weather Service in Boston Morton has issued a tornado warning for
Oh my!
Wyndham County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Eastford, or 9 miles northeast of Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Woodstock around 4:10 p.m. Thompson and Potford around 4:20 p.m. Killingly and Putnam around 4:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Boston Morton has issued a flash flood warning for Northern Pollen County, Central Hartford County, Southwestern Worcester County, Central Massachusetts.
Boston! Did you issue that for the hell of it?
Yes, they did. Yes, they did.
I was
Did. They were getting bored issuing severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings, and they decided, hey, let's issue a tornado warning for Wyndham.
What the Taunton? You know what that reminds me of? You know what that very much reminds me of? Wait, hold on. What the was that? Oh. Updated slight risk. But that reminds me of when Clay got that random tornado warning back in May.
Yeah! The one during the day where I got those DMFEs and that CEM.
Yeah.
Tornado warning for, what was it? Gaston, Lincoln, and Mecklenburg?
Yeah, I think it was for Gaston, Lincoln, and Mecklenburg.
Or maybe Gaston and Lincoln, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
They had to...
Anyways, it was one of those.
I'm done. I'm done. You issue a tornado warning out of... Oh, fuck. That didn't work. Yeah. You issue a tornado warning out of fucking nowhere. Did you pull that out of your ass or something?
Yes, I did. The world may never know. Wait, no, I was way off. That tornado warning that Nicholas was referring to, it was for Gaston, Mecklenburg, and York, South Carolina.
Oh. I thought it was for Lincoln, but oh well.
No, it was Gaston, Mecklenburg, and York.
I am gonna try and recall... Huh?
I think I'm gonna record it now and open it now.
Alright. In the meantime, I am gonna try and recollect myself from this thing that Taunton decided to pull out of their ass. Flood warning for Talent and Wyndham!
Oh my, I just know it. What now?
Flood warning!
For the following counties in Connecticut, Holland and Wyndham. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Wyndham, northeastern Holland County, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Providence County until 6:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms over Wyndham County, Connecticut, producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood
And like, here is the Demon Zone Guard Plus I promised you a while back. Sorry it's been so long to get it to you. Every time I tried to send it, something would get in the way. But I finally got it this time. I hope everything comes.
Tornado possible with this storm, okay! Can you go off, please?
Anyway, this is Sprayway 143, signing out along with...
And Thunderbuddy 01, who's currently recording an SVR.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wyndham County, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Providence County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodstock, or 18 miles north of Plainfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. A short-lived tornado is also possible.
Oh!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Killingly, Webster, Burdoville, Osbridge, North Smithfield, Dudley, Gloucester, Putnam, Thompson, Douglas, Woodstock, Mendon, Pomfret, and Millville. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. It is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Oh! Damn! I think the transmitter just got struck by lightning.